everybody, it's Katie here at Design Decor, and I wanted to show you just a little bit on what it's going to be like when you order your custom designed bow from us and when you receive it. So first, here you go. This is your box. Now, once you open your box, you're going to have all your little goodies from us, your thank you, your invoice. We're going to take the paper out, and this is what you're going to see. Okay? So let me show you how you're going to make this look like the bow that you purchased online. Our ribbons are quality. So start with your tails, roll them out. So we start with our tails, and on the back here, let me show you. Everything is curled under. So all you do is just unroll it. You're just going to unroll everything like this. So once you get it unrolled like this, you'll notice we've thrown in an extra zip tie back here. This is so that you can attach it to your wreath, your mailbox, or whatever you're designing with. We've already got that zip tie on there for you to make it simple and easy. Now, once you unroll that, you've got your front here. We've unrolled our loops, so it's still pretty flat. But all you want to do is start opening them up. I just stick my hand right between the loops and open each one up, okay? Just like this on both sides. Unroll all your tails. So as you can see, it's starting to come to life. It's starting to look like that bow that you went ahead and you ordered. We're gonna keep opening, making sure we got all of our bow loops open, all of our tails unrolled. Now remember, if you wanted your 7/8 inch or your 1 inch smaller ribbon, if you want it curled, there's a little tail here on the outside of it. You want to grab that and you want to pull out sideways, and that's going to keep it curled for you. And you're just going to keep opening up your bow and fluffing it how you like it. The cool thing with the wired ribbon is you can form it and position it wherever you like. You just kind of keep fluffing till you get it the way that you want. And then before you know it, you are ready to rock and roll. Put this on your mailbox, on your wreath, on your door, on top of your tree, wherever you like. There you go, guys. There's your designer bow from Design Decor.